There are really only two things anyone needs to know about the monetary system. 1. All money is created out of debt. Money is monetized debt, whether it materialized from treasury bonds, home loan contracts, or credit cards. In other words, if all outstanding debt was to be repaid right now, there would be not $1 in circulation. And 2. Interest is charged on virtually all loans made, and the money needed to pay back this interest does not exist in the money supply outright.
This is called debt slavery, pure and simple.
Only the principal is created by the loans, and the principal is the money supply. So if all this debt was to be repaid right now, not only would there be not $1 in circulation, there would also be a gigantic amount of money owed that is literally impossible to pay back, for it does not exist. The consequence of all this is that two things are inevitable: inflation and bankruptcy. As far as inflation, this can be seen as a historical trend in virtually every country today, and easily tied to its cause, which is the perpetual increase of the money supply, which is required to cover the interest charges and keep the system going. As far as bankruptcy, it comes in the form of debt collapse. This collapse will inevitably occur with a person, a business, or a country, and typically happens when the interest payments are no longer possible to make.
And of course, borrowing to pay off past debts is like trying to fill a hole with more hole.